Good afternoon, students. Today's our topic is Rolle's law for non-volatile solids. In this particular, you can see when you have solvent, then there is a particular vapor pressure of that solvent, and if we add some non-volatile solids which may not vaporize. Non-volatile means which may not vaporize, added into the solvent, then the vapor pressure of the solution decreases. This is also known as lowering of vapor pressure. It means when we add non-volatile solute into the solvent, then the solution has less vapor pressure than the pure solvent. So you can see on the next page, you can see the diagram. When there is pure solvent, more vapors are there, and when there is solution, less vapors are there. It means vapor pressure decreases. As you can see, vapor pressure of solvent, according to Rolle's law, vapor pressure of any solvent Va is equal to mole fraction of that particular solvent into vapor pressure of that solvent in pure state. Pa is equal to XA into P naught A. Vapor pressure is equal to mole fraction into pure vapor pressure of solvent in pure states. And as you know, in the when non-volatile solute is added, the vapor pressure of the solution is only due to the presence of solvent. So you can say vapor pressure of the solution is equal to vapor pressure of the solvent in the solution, because solute particles do not get vaporized. So it means the vapor pressure of the solution is only due to the vapor pressure of the solvent. So you can write vapor pressure of the solvent solution, you can write it in the equation 1. Vapor pressure of the solution is equal to mole fraction of solvent into vapor pressure of solvent, pure solvent. So you can write PS as vapor pressure of solution, and X1 as mole fraction of solvent, and P naught as the vapor pressure of pure solvent. So we will rearrange it. PS upon P naught is equal to X1. Here X1 is mole fraction. You can see why rearranging this. PS upon P naught is equal to X1. As we know, X1 is the mole fraction. We can write it as N1 upon N1 plus N2. So we may write it here. PS upon P naught is equal to N1 upon N1 plus N2. Subtract both the sides from 1. So P naught minus PS upon P naught is equal to N1 plus N2 minus N1 upon N1 plus N2. N1 is cutting with N2. So the equation becomes P naught minus PS upon P naught is equal to N2 upon N1 plus N2. We get this, and N2 upon N1 plus N2 is equal to X2. So in this way we will get the second Rolle's law for non-volatile solute. Here P naught minus PS is known as lowering of vapor pressure, and P naught minus PS upon P naught is known as relative lowering of vapor pressure. So the definition you can see on the screen. Relative lowering of vapor pressure of a solution containing a non-volatile solute is equal to the mole fraction of the solute in the solution. So that's all for today. The rest of the video will be given to you in the next class. Thank you.